The illegally detained chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Musarrat Alam Butt, has appealed to the Kashmiris living on the both sides of the line of control and the world over to observe coming Friday as Yom-e-Istehsal-e-Kashmir to reject Modi regime's illegal actions of August 5, 2019 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Musarrat Alam Butt, in a message from an Indian jail released in Srinagar, said the people of Kashmir have completely rejected all unconstitutional and imperialistic measures taken by the communal Modi regime during the past 3 years, turning the occupied territory into a torture chamber. Other Hurriyat leaders including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Syed Bashir Andrabi, Yasmin Raja, Zamruda Habib, Javed Ahmed Mir, Abdul Samad Inqalabi, Muhammad Yusuf Nakash, Imtiaz Reshi and Ghulam Nabi War in their statements said dreaded Indian troops are engaged round the clock in killing, arson, humiliation, torture, loot and plunder to force the Kashmiris into submission. However, they maintained that the Kashmiri people would never compromise on their right to self-determination. Meanwhile, senior APHC leader Professor Abdul Ghani Butt, addressing public gatherings in different areas of Budgam, urged Pakistan and India to hold dialogue to resolve the Kashmir dispute peacefully. He pointed out that Kashmiri people want cordial relations between the two neighboring countries in the interest of peace and prosperity in the region. In order to achieve this objective, he stressed all disputes, particularly the Kashmir conflict, must be resolved through a sustained and result-oriented dialogue process. The Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency, along with Indian paramilitary personnel, raided houses of people associated with freedom movement at several places in Baramulla, Kupwara and Poonch districts. Indian police arrested 4 Muslim traders in Jammu region on the charge of transporting cattle from Ramban and Riasi districts to the Kashmir Valley. Senior leader of IIOJK chapter Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement in Islamabad, hailed Pakistan's decision to mark 5th August as Yom-e-Istehsal-e-Kashmir to draw the attention of the world community towards India's settler colonial plan in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The New York-based right watchdog Human Rights Watch has said that Indian authorities are restricting free expression, peaceful assembly and other basic rights in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir 3 years after revoking the special status of the territory. The HRW, in a statement released on its website, said the Indian government's repressive policies and failure to investigate the human rights abuses and prosecute the involved forces personnel have increased insecurity among the Kashmiris.